Which census of India is known as the Great Decline? Correct answer is option A. 1921 census is known as Great Decline. What is the total length of roads proposed to be constructed under Bharatmala Pariyojana Phase 1? Correct answer is option C. 34,800 km. In which year was the Eklavya Model Residential School Scheme introduced? Correct answer is option B. 1997 to 98. Shola trees are mainly found in which type of forest? Correct answer is option D. Tropical montane forest. Who conduct the elections to the municipalities in India? Correct answer is option C. State Election Commission. In 2024, Prime Minister Narendra Modi visited which African country after a gap of 17 years? Correct answer is option B. Nigeria country. Which of the following is a suitable home remedy to reduce stomach acidity? Correct answer is option C. Eating a banana to reduce stomach acidity. Who was the chief officer of rural administration during the Gupta period? Correct answer is option C. The 105th Amendment of the Indian Constitution is related to. Correct answer is option B. Restoration of states' power to identify socially and educationally backward classes. Article 31A of the Indian Constitution is related to. Correct answer is option B. Protection of laws related to land reforms and agrarian reforms. What was the approximate renewable energy capacity of India by the year 2023? Correct answer is option C. 100. Which of the following statements about p block elements is correct? Correct answer is option C. Metals, non-metals and metallites are found in the p block. Which state emerged as the top performer in the Niti Aayog SDG India Index 2023 to 24? Correct answer is option A. The Desert Cyclone military exercise is conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option B. United Arab Emirates. When was the Environment Protection Act implemented in India? Correct answer is option B. 1986. The slogan Power and Strength through Innovation and Indigenous Cause is most closely related to which of the following initiatives? Correct answer is option C. Atmanirbhar Bharat in Defense. Which shortcut key is used to open a new document in MS Word or MS Excel? Correct answer is option C. Control plus N. Which geographical feature is mainly located between the border of India and Bhutan? Correct answer is option C. Himalayan mountain. According to Economic Survey 2024 to 25, what was India unemployment rate for the year 2023 to 24? Correct answer is option C. 3.2%. What percentage of reservation was granted to women under the 106 Constitutional Amendment Act in India? Correct answer is option C, 33%. Who ended the Afghan rule by defeating the Sir Empire ruler in 1555? Correct answer is option D, Humayun. Justice B.R. Gavai became the Chief Justice of India in which number? Correct answer is option B, 52. When and where will the 2028 Summer Paralympic Games be held? Correct answer is option B, August 15 to 27, 2028, USA. Arrange the following process in the correct order related to urban ecosystem nutrient cycling. Correct sequence is 4, 1, 2 and 3. When did the India-China Border Defense Cooperation Agreement effectively end? Correct answer is option C, 2024. Gupta period in Indian history is best described as. Correct answer is option C, large empire consisting of multiple provinces or regions. Which article of the Indian Constitution deals with the amendment procedure? Correct answer is option B, Article 368. Who founded the Indian National Congress? Correct answer is option A, A.O. Hume. Where is the headquarters of ISRO located? Correct answer is option C, Bangalore.